In this video, I'll show you how to change your leverage in TradingView. To begin, make sure you're connected to paper trading, since leverage can only be changed in simulation mode. Once you're connected, go to the trading panel at the bottom and click on Settings. A window will appear showing all the adjustable parameters for your paper trading account. At the top, you'll see the leverage section with options for different asset classes: stocks, futures, forex, crypto, and others. From here, you can use the drop-down menus to set the leverage you want for each category. For example, you might keep stocks at 1-to-1, set futures at 20-to-1, forex at 50-to-1, and crypto at 10-to-1. Adjust these values based on how you want to practice trading. Once you've made your changes, you can either click Save to keep the settings, or Reset Account if you want to start over with default values. And that's it. Your paper trading leverage is now updated, and all future trades will use these new settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TradingView guides.